Hey everyone, I'm Leo and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. Today I'm super excited to dive into the FOTILE ChefCubii 4-in-1 countertop convection steam oven and air fryer, a kitchen game changer that's so much more than just an air fryer. If you're looking to level up your cooking with one versatile appliance, stick around. Let's break down the features. The FOTILE ChefCubii is a 4-in-1 powerhouse. It's a convection oven, steam oven, air fryer, and dehydrator. It offers 10 cooking modes, including bake, steam bake, air fry, dehydrate, grill, reheat, toast, proof, and rice cooker. With 4K Ultra HD video, you get crystal clear visuals for monitoring your food through the large see-through window. It has 40 preset menus, so you just add ingredients, pick a setting, and let it do the work. The steam bake mode combines heat and moisture for perfect results, and the air fry mode crisps food without extra oil. 4 heating levels give precise temperature control, and the steam self-clean function makes cleanup a breeze. Plus, its 1 cubic foot capacity fits everything from a small pizza to a whole chicken. Now, the pros and cons. The pros are awesome. The 4-in-1 versatility saves counter space, and the steam function locks in nutrients for healthier meals. The 40 presets make cooking foolproof, and the sleek design looks great in any kitchen. It heats up fast, saving energy compared to a full-size oven. On the downside, some users report the air fry function isn't as crispy as a dedicated air fryer, and the controls can feel tricky at first with 2 unlabeled knobs. There have also been rare complaints about rust or staining inside, so regular maintenance is key. Who's this for? If you love experimenting in the kitchen, want healthier cooking options, or have limited space, the FOTILE ChefCubii is a fantastic choice. It's ideal for home chefs who want one appliance to do it all: steam, bake, air fry, and more without needing a full oven. Ready to upgrade your kitchen? Click the link in the description to check out the FOTILE ChefCubii at the best price through Rick's Review Hub. We've got special promotional pricing you won't want to miss. If this review helped, please like, share, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.